There was a time I questioned everything about myself. Was I too much, too emotional, too distant, too independent, too soft? I overthink my every move. I shrank to fit into spaces that didn't honor me. I dimmed my light just to feel held by people who couldn't even see me. And when it ended, they made me feel like I was the problem, like I was impossible to love. But now I see it so clearly. I'm not hard to love. I just require real love, intentional love, love that doesn't play tug of war with my peace. I'm not difficult. I just have standards now. I know what it feels like to abandon myself for the sake of keeping someone else. And I'm never doing that again. I don't beg, I don't chase, I don't shrink, because the version of me that once accepted crumbs, she's gone. I am soft, but I am not weak. I am kind, but I am not naive. I love deeply, but I will not lose myself doing so. So if you think I'm too much now, maybe you're just not enough for this version of me. Because I'm not hard to love, I just finally know my worth. And I won't settle for anything less than I deserve. If this spoke to something deep inside you, no, you're not alone. There's nothing wrong with growing into the version of you that protects her peace, that honors her heart, that doesn't apologize for evolving. This is your reminder: you are not too much. You are just finally enough for yourself. Thank you for listening to Faceless Diaries. Until next time, take care of your heart and never forget your worth.